different setup tayo ngayon. I know because I got one comment, and it's actually from one of my family, and they said I always do my mukbangs in a restaurant, or I always just eat out or anything like that. So now this is gonna be a proof to you guys that I also eat a lot of Filipino foods. So keep on watching. Tuyo, guys, tuyo and pritong talong. So that is fried eggplant and dried fish. Tuyo eh. And of course, we do have our spicy vinegar. And for my fried eggplant, I always prefer some soy sauce, calamansi or lemon, and then a hint of onions. So there. And of course, oh my god, I don't know you guys, kayo ba, pag tuyo, nakakakain kayo ng plain rice lang? Because for me, I prefer garlic fried rice. Yan. I don't know why, pero mas gusto ko ang fried rice when I'm eating tuyo. Oh my goodness, I love this kinds of breakfast. Yung mura lang siya, pero kasi just for your information guys, ang tuyo dito sa Canada, mahal. Ginto ang presyo ng tuyo dito sa Canada. So, I guess it's not for cheap breakfast anymore. And of course, I always have to have my cup of coffee. Yan. Keep calm and smile. Yan. So, ano pang ginagawa natin? Kain na tayo. Gutom na ako. It's my day off. So, yeah, it's my chance to actually enjoy my food with you guys. Kain tayo. Kayo ba? I know yung mga iba, we do have different kinds of way on eating tuyo. Ako, wala. Basta, of course, I always eat the head. Let's kamay na tayo, guys. Pag gumagawa ba kayo ng fried rice, guys, do you make it with, ano ba tawag doon? Yung lumang rice, or gusto nyo pa rin yung bagong luto na rice? Ako gusto ko kasi yung parang sinain ko na siya kagabi, and then for the next day, I do it as a fried rice. And then let's try our fried eggplant. For those of you who hasn't tried it yet, fried eggplant is really good with soy sauce, calamansi or lemon, and put some onions. Mag-iiba yung lasa ng soy sauce. Mag-a-add siya ng different flavor. Tsaka hindi ako maulam, guys. Kayo ba? Mas marami kayong mag-ulam, or do you eat more rice and yung ulam, or what? Ayan. If I'm going to choose between different kinds of dishes for breakfast, I would prefer the Filipino breakfast. I mean, gusto ko rin ng waffles, ng pancakes. I love those kinds of breakfast. But there are days that, oh my goodness, I just crave these kinds of breakfast. Yung simple lang. Alam niyo sa Pilipinas, di ba? Pag ganito na yung nasa mesa namin, ang saya ka na. Oh! Shout out to my brother, Gian. I always remember you every time I eat tuyo. Because you know guys, my brother, literally guys, one piece of this fried fish, he could eat like mountainous amount of rice. Sobrang dami niyang mag-rice for one piece of tuyo. Sabi, na-miss kita dyan, Liam. But what I do is I actually soak them in the vinegar so that the saltiness of the fried fish is kind of washed a bit. Kayo guys, what is your favorite breakfast? Nakakamiss yung ganito when I'm on my days off where I don't need to rush eating. Kasi pag may work ako, I usually just eat cereals, granola bars, or fruit. That's it. And then I just ran out of the door. But if it's my day off, I take time to eat. So good. Kayo ba guys, gusto nyo rin ng talong? And of course, shout out to the legit family. Kain tayo! Alam niyo na kung sino-sino kayo. Sobrang dami natin. So, let's eat! Sarap nito, lalo na pag yung vinegar. It's a spicy vinegar. Sarap. So good. Dami kong rice. I think this is gonna be my breakfast and lunch. And then, just like I told you a while ago, I always have to have a cup of coffee when I'm eating tuyo. I don't know why. Oh my goodness, that is so good. Thank you, Lord. Siguro tong rice ko, 2 cups of rice. Yes, I eat a lot, guys. Just like what I mentioned in some of my mukbang videos. The reason why I'm eating a lot right now, well, for the past few weeks, I'm wanting to gain back my my weight. Sobrang nangayayat kasi ako, guys. And guys hindi lang ako kumakain sa mga sosyaling restaurant. Actually, sabi ko nga kanina, I prefer yung mga lutong bahay. Kaso minsan, wala akong time. Taas ang kamay sa mga mahilig magkamay dyan. One fish left. And about 5 pieces of the eggplant. And just like I said, hindi ko pinapalampas ang ulo. So crunchy. I really like sa fried rice, sobrang dami ng bawang. Just like what Eugen said, there's no such thing as too much garlic. And because I am eating this Filipino breakfast here in Canada, I want to shout out some of my friends who are here in Canada, and that is Noiteb's Vlog, The Nance, and Pinaipeg. Hi! Kayo ba? Kumakain din kayo ng tuyo? Namimiss nyo rin ba to? If I remember it right, a pack of this dried fish or tuyo is about $7 or $8, somewhere around that price point. So if you're going to convert that, so ilang pieces lang yun guys, siguro mga 12 or 14 pieces ng tuyo. Nasaan na siya? 300? Somewhere around that price point. So, di ba, mahal na yon. Sa Pilipinas ba, magkano na ang tuyo? There. This is my perfect breakfast. Oh, and of course guys, I don't want to forget one of my friends in YouTube as well who keeps on doing or making a lot of home dishes, and that is to Tita Eve Calmas. I hope I can try your home cooking one day, and I hope you're always doing good. That is so good. That is good. Thank you so much guys dahil sinamahan niyo akong magmukbang today, and I hope natuwa naman kayo kasi nakita nyo na kumakain din ako ng ng mga ordinary foods natin sa Philippines. And take note, favorite ko talaga to. Hay nako, sobrang sarap. Ang dami-dami ko nakakain pag ganito yung breakfast ko. Thank you so much guys for joining me in this Tuyo and Pritong Talong mukbang. And as always guys, don't forget the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like or share your comments down below. Kayo ba, favorite nyo rin ang tuyo for breakfast? And as always, thank you so much for watching you guys. And remember, keep calm and smile. Bye!